Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Realize Guyana, home of all traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing the popular cheese straws recipe which everyone loves. And for this recipe today we're going to be using the following ingredients. We're going to be using 1 pound of cheddar cheese, 1 pound of flour, 3/4 pound of butter, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon green seasoning, and some ice cold water. So the water is just if needed. Sometimes you don't need the water, and sometimes you may need just a little bit. So we'll see what happens. So that's all the ingredients, guys. So let's get started with this delicious cheese straw recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is grate our cheese. Okay guys, so we're going to grate out our cheese. When we are done, we'll continue. So we have all our cheese grated, my friends. We're going to start mixing everything now into our flour. So cheese straw is one of those Guyanese snacks you can't resist, right? And just like cheese rolls and pine tarts and all those goodies. So now we're going to add all the ingredients into here, mix them all together and see if you need to add any water. So that's 1 heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise. And also mustard. That's our green seasoning. So we're going to mix this all together now, as I said, and then we'll see if we have to use water. So our dough is very dry, as you can see. So we're going to just add a sprinkle of the water. Cold water it has to be too. So remember, not room temperature, but cold water. So that's about it, about 3 sprinkles. Now you can see the texture is beginning to change. And that looks like it's going to be enough. So you're going to form one big piece now with the dough, putting it all together. So that's it. Alright my friends, so we are ready to pipe out our cheese straws, and this is our operation here. So you gotta get yourself one of these tips like this. So we don't have the complete thing for this, so we're trying what we have here. So as you can see, we have lined our tray with some parchment paper. Alright my friends, so we have piped out this much here. We have about 50 cheese straws here, and as you can see, this is only about half, maybe about the total amount that we had. So if you want to make less, you can definitely do that. But we're gonna go bake this about a 50 spring the 50 pieces that we have here. We're gonna go bake this now, and we're gonna bake this at 375 for about 10 to 11 minutes. So we're gonna pop this into the oven now. Our oven is already preheated. There we go. See you in about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so we have baked our cheese straws for 12 minutes, and we think it's done here right now, so we're gonna take it out. So this should be done in about, and it's looking good, as you can see. So this takes 10 to 12 minutes. So we give it a top 12 minutes, and they are looking yummy, scrumptious. Look at that. You hear the sizzle? So that's the real Guyanese cheese straws here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. As always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.